Hi, beautiful lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Beauty Spot. Hope so, you guys are all doing well. And welcome to a serene journey through the world of facial massages. Each image captures a unique moment of relaxation. We see a peaceful spa environment where soft lighting and natural elements create a for the mind and body. The gentle ambience invites you to unwind. Here, a skill therapist applies the soothing techniques, focusing on the delicate contour of the face. This nurturing touch promotes circulation, leaving the skin radiant. If you guys like this video, so please press the like button. For watching this type of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, The Beauty Spot. Thanks for watching.